You're watching Kiddos World TV!
Hi kiddos! I am Miss Fee of Kiddos World TV. Today's lesson will be fun and exciting because we will learn different types of vehicles that start from A to Z.
Woohoo!
Kiddos, did you know that vehicles are used for moving from one place to another? Let's learn more about them. Letter A. A is for ambulance. Ambulance. Ooh, do you hear that? That sound comes from an ambulance. An ambulance is a vehicle used to transport people who are sick or injured. An ambulance takes patients to a nearby hospital during a medical emergency. Now let's move on to our next letter.
Cool.
Letter B. B is for bus. Bus. A bus is a long road vehicle that can take many passengers. Buses can take you to school or around town. That's so cool, right?
Yeah!
Letter C. C is for car. Car. A car is a road vehicle with 4 wheels. It uses an engine or a motor to run. Unlike the bus, a car can only sit a few people inside. So let's move on to the next one, kiddos.
Woohoo!
Letter D. D is for dump truck. Dump truck. A dump truck is a huge vehicle with an open box bed. This special truck is used to carry rocks, sand, and other building materials for a mining or a construction site. Isn't that awesome, kiddos?
Fantastic!
Letter E. E is for excavator. Excavator. An excavator is sometimes called a digger. This big vehicle is also used for construction. Can you see its huge arm? Excavators use that bucket-like arm to dig in the ground or to move large objects. That's incredible, right, kiddos?
Yes!
Letter F. F is for fire truck. Fire truck. A fire truck is a vehicle used for putting out fires. This useful vehicle gives firefighters access to water, air, and other equipment needed at the fire scene. A loud noise is also heard from it to inform other vehicles to make way. Letter G. G is for garbage truck. Garbage truck. A garbage truck is a vehicle used to collect trash from outside people's house. After collection, this truck transports the waste to a landfill. This vehicle is super useful, right, kiddos?
Yeah.
Letter H. H is for helicopter. Helicopter. What does a helicopter do? A vehicle like this transports people and cargo by air. But what makes it special? Unlike an airplane which flies with wings and don't move, a helicopter flies using blades called rotors that spin around. And because of this, it can fly forward, backward, up and down, and even sideways. How cool is that?
Excellent.
Letter I. I is for ice cream truck. Ice cream truck. The ice cream truck is another special vehicle that sells ice cream. And where can we find it? A lot of them are found near parks, beaches, outside schools, or outside people's houses. How incredible!
Wow.
Letter J. J is for jet ski. Jet ski. Jet skis can travel on the water surface and are super powerful. But what makes them run fast? It's because jet skis are designed to have a mighty jet engine. How extraordinary!
Woohoo!
Due to its immense speed, a jet ski can only safely carry a single person. Letter K. K is for kayak. Kayak. A kayak is a small narrow boat that can be run using paddles. You usually use kayak when you want to have a good time on the water. Isn't that exciting?
All right.
Letter L. L is for logging truck. Logging truck. A logging truck is also called a timber lorry. The bed of this vehicle is flat, so it is used to carry logs. Amazing!
Woohoo!
Letter M. M is for motorcycle. Motorcycle. A motorcycle is a two-wheeled vehicle with a powerful engine. It has similar parts to a bicycle, but motorcycles are bigger, heavier, and faster. When riding a motorcycle, a helmet must always be used for protection. Remember that, kiddos! Letter N. N is for Naval Ship. Naval Ship. A naval ship is a massive boat used by the military. This ship is different different from ordinary boat. Naval ships are built stronger and have a lot of machinery for Navy officers to use. Amazing, right?
Great!
Letter O. O is for Off-Road Vehicle. Off-Road Vehicle. An off-road vehicle is sometimes called an overland or adventure vehicle. These vehicles are unique because they are designed to travel over rough ground, difficult trails, and forest roads. Look at those rock wheels, kiddos. They're huge, right?
Yeah!
Letter P. P is for police car. Police car. A police car is a vehicle used by police officers. A car like this can help them with their patrolling duties. Police cars have flashing sirens, and they use them to rush to a reported location. That's super cool, right?
Yeah!
Letter Q. Q is for quad bike. Quad bike. A quad bike is a kind of motorbike with 4 big wheels. People ride a quad bike sometimes for fun or in races. In addition, this off-road vehicle can also be used on farms. It's pretty useful one, right, kiddos?
Yeah!
Letter R. R is for race car. Race car. A race car is a very fast vehicle. It is different from an ordinary car because this one is used in a professional auto racing. Oh, would you look at that? It's incredibly speedy. Awesome!
Woohoo!
Letter S. S is for submarine. Submarine. A submarine is a special type of vessel that can run underwater. A submarine from the military is huge, and they use it to patrol ocean waters. Scientists, on the other hand, use smaller submarines for underwater research. So cool, right?
Fantastic!
Letter T. T is for train. Train. A train is a set of wheeled cars that are linked together. A vehicle like this runs on the railway and sounds like this. Trains are important for passengers because they link different towns and cities together, faster than riding a car or a bus.
Cool.
Letter U. U is for unicycle. Unicycle. A unicycle is called a pedal vehicle. It looks like a bicycle, but it has only one wheel. It has a seat and can only be run using its pedals. What a unique vehicle! Don't you agree?
Yes.
Letter V. V is for van. Van. A van is a type of vehicle that is bigger than a regular sized car. A van is also useful because it can carry either goods or people. There are lots of vans that can be seen on the road. Can you spot them?
Yeah.
I know you can. Letter W. The W is for wheel loader. Wheel loader. A wheel loader is a heavy equipment vehicle with an arm like a shovel. This shovel-like arm is used to put heavy materials into another vehicle or another site. That's another powerful one, kiddos. Letter X. X is for Azebec. Azebec. Azebec is a sailing ship used for trading. It is also the ship used by pirates in the early days.
Wow.
Letter Y. Y is for yacht. Yacht. A yacht is a type of boat that is usually light and has a cabin. Some use their yachts for cruising, water sports, racing, or even fishing. What a super cool vehicle! Right, kiddos?
Yes.
Letter Z. Z is for Zeppelin. Zeppelin. A zeppelin is a type of airship, which means it is lighter than a usual aircraft. A zeppelin uses propellers to drive them through the air. How amazing! That is such a great lesson, kiddos. Don't you agree?
Yeah.
If you enjoyed this video, please click the thumbs up button, and while you're at it, you can also subscribe to our channel. For more educational videos like this one, please search Kiddos World TV here on YouTube. That's it for today, kiddos, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!
Bye, Miss B.
Having fun, kiddos? Please click subscribe for more learning and fun. See you in the next videos.